AAA Morning News. This is Somnichai, a student in ITA program. A report on the Parent-Teacher Conference at AAA International School. The Ongo Intellectual successfully conducted its Parent-Teacher Conference from May 28 to May 30, 2025. The event was held at the academic location on Thormayut Road, Srai Preng Village, Kampong Chhnang City, Kampong Chhnang Province, Cambodia. The conference took place over 3 days, with sessions scheduled in both the morning and afternoon. To accommodate parents' availability, the morning session ran from 7:15 a.m. to 11 a.m., while the afternoon session took place from 1:15 p.m. to 5 p.m. During the conference, parents had the opportunity to meet with teachers to discuss their children's academic progress, share concerns, and collaborate on setting goals for the future success. The event fostered a constructive dialogue between parents and educators, emphasizing the importance of collaborative approach to student development. Parents expressed appreciation for the opportunity to engage directly with teachers and to gain insights into their children's educational experience. The event was well attended and contributed positively to strengthening the partnership between the schools and families. Overall, the Parent-Teacher Conference AAA was considered a success, promoting a supportive environment aimed at enhancing student academic achievements and personal growth. The school team received valuable feedback and look forward to continued collaboration with parents in the future. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.